we may have to go and litigate for this. And more we are getting to see that we may need Christian lawyers to do public interest litigation in situations such as this.
The project is called the Uganda Parliamentary Technical Assistance Project, and we work with members of parliament to help enhance their roles as representatives, as legislators, and as people who handle the oversight of the executive. We have been working as a link between members of parliament and NGOs, because we realize that the NGOs and the members of parliament work together to represent various constituencies.
We have a vibrant student fellowship in most countries, and I see a lot of hope in the sense that a lot of these kids are committed, their faith in Christ is strong, and I hope that through the tutelage of the older lawyers and a lot of prayers and support, I think that these stand out as a great hope for Africa.
It's a great privilege to be a lawyer. Anybody in any country is honored as a lawyer, and being a Christian lawyer gives us a unique opportunity to work in our communities, in our societies, to bring change. The things that we hope for, dream for, the hopes of our people, we can actually help bring that to reality. In 1994, I was approached by members of the African Traders Union, which is a group of people at the Kisumu Municipal Market who have organized together so that they can negotiate and lobby the Kisumu Municipal Council, who are the owners and run the municipal market. 300, they're small traders, you know, they have stock worth not too much, but you know, that's everything for them. And so 32 of them got together representing the various trades in the market, the fruit sellers, the fish sellers, the fishmongers, the chicken sellers. Everybody was represented. They went for a meeting. While they were meeting, the police came, and the police told them that this was an illegal meeting. So they got them out of the room and put them on top of a police truck and took them to Kisumu police station. And 32 people filed a case for wrongful arrest, for malicious prosecution, and the matter was heard by the High Court judge at Kisumu. The judgment was delivered in July 2000, and each one of the 32 people was awarded 20,000 Kenyan shillings, which is the equivalent of $2,500.
People have been charged with criminal offenses and have no legal representation, especially those charged with capital offenses, because their trials cannot go on unless they have legal defense, which is supposed to be provided by government under the law. But the government does not provide it because the lawyers do not want to take on the cases because these cases are not paying. So we got together a group of Christians and set up an association called the Public Defenders. We visit prisons, we take notes, we look at these cases, we go to court, we get these files, then we distribute these files amongst ourselves, and we go to court and defend these cases.
I have a conviction that God will help us to organize something about Christian lawyers, then who will be able to wake up and talk, or through a Christian lawyer organization in Togo, God make a way for the population. God make a way to deliver the population of Togo.
The church has got a constituency. For an example, in Africa, we've got 70 million Christians that are there as Evangelical Association of Africa. We need the Christian lawyers in order for them to work with the church.
Kufuata maneno ya Kristo katika kazi ya uwakili.
We started off by gathering a legal team, got the best of our members together. They volunteered their services, and we started the first abortion court case in the history of South Africa. The court case grew. It's got quite a lot of publicity. We had people and churches and institutions writing to us, representing 2.3 million people, encouraging us, please go ahead, and we're so glad that you're standing in the gap for us. Advocates International came alongside and made it possible for Paul Linton, who's an expert on abortion law in America. He was previously General Counsel of Americans United for Life. He came over on Advocates International's funds and helped us through the court case, and it was eventually heard in the High Court. And the churches found such a confidence that there is, in the legal field, someone that can look after their interests. And we are trying to continue on this road that God has for us, and taking the challenges as they come.
In one of our big cities, there is a home for babies that